All right, today we are jumping headfirst into the world of architectural design. We're going to break down how a vision in pure glass and metal really comes to life. Yeah, we're taking a deep dive into the Cardinal system by Windows Tech. Welcome all you creators and visionaries out there. You know, designing the future, it's not just about how something looks. It's about how it makes you feel. It's all about the experience that a space creates. You're so right, Haru. That feel is absolutely crucial. But that feeling has to be built on a rock-solid foundation of performance. I mean, what good is a beautiful design if it doesn't last? So the real question becomes, do you actually have to choose one over the other? Okay, let's break down those two perspectives. For me, as a designer, it's all about creating that incredible wall of light. You know, that seamless connection between inside and out with smart luxury design. But for you, Akira, you're all about the engineering, that jewelry-grade precision and ultimate security. Isn't that right?
Exactly. Because that foundation is what makes your beautiful vision not just possible, but permanent.
Okay, so let's start with what I call the designer's choice, the Slim Line series. For any modern project that's all about elegance, this is where architecture really becomes art.
The whole idea here is to completely blur the lines between inside and outdoor living. We're not just talking about windows. These are basically transparent walls that flood your space with so much natural light and just open everything up to these breathtaking panoramic views. Now, the secret to getting that seamless look is the system's ultra-slim interlock. Just think of it like the spine that connects the glass panels. By making it the narrowest connection point you can, the frame basically just disappears. You're left with nothing but pure, uninterrupted vision. So for those really high-end projects, you know, villas and penthouses, the CS32 gives you that extreme, no-compromise minimalism. But here's the great thing. The Cardinal system makes this whole aesthetic accessible. The CS27.ES Slim Edition gives you that same elegant design, but at a more approachable price point. It is the perfect definition of smart luxury.
And that smart design is absolutely built to last. Which brings us to the performance tier. This is for the projects where security, durability, and just flawless operation are every bit as important as how it looks.
You know, it all starts with the material itself. We are not talking about standard aluminum here. This is premium 6063 T6, an architectural-grade alloy. It's engineered for incredible strength, super precise manufacturing, and it's highly resistant to corrosion. It's like taking jewelry-grade precision and scaling it up for a building. And this tier is where that strength really shines. The CS29, that's your heavy-duty option for high rises that need maximum integrity against huge wind loads. The CS35 is perfect for big projects with high load-bearing rollers so you can move massive panels with almost no effort. And then there's the CS37, the flagship. We're talking smart automation and a superior thermal break, which is huge for energy efficiency, especially with those ultra-large openings. And this is where it gets really cool, really forward-thinking. These systems are designed for the future. You can seamlessly integrate biometric locks, fully motorized opening systems, you name it. It's a level of security and convenience that completely changes how you live in your own home. Okay, Akira, you're right. The performance tier is seriously impressive. But let's be real, not every project needs that kind of high-tech fortress. And that's exactly where the versatile foundation comes in. It's the perfect balance of proven quality and affordability for pretty much any application you can think of. And you can see this really clear, logical progression. You can start with the CS.23, which is super cost-effective for modern interiors. From there, you can step up to the CS.25 for better weather sealing and more hardware options. And then you have the CS.27, that's the versatile workhorse that's perfect for bigger spans and heavier glass. But here's the most important thing to take away. You're not compromising on the core quality, even with the more cost-effective options. You still get that high-quality aluminum construction, great acoustic and weather performance, and yeah, it supports double-glazed units for better insulation. It's just a reliable, high-quality solution, period. And the best part? None of this is just a concept on paper. Windows Tech can deliver this entire vision. We are talking about a tangible, real-world system with a huge range of options and a massive inventory that's ready to go. With over 40 different systems available, there is an engineered Cardinal solution for basically any technical or design challenge you could ever imagine. It's about having exactly the right tool for the job every single time. It isn't just about variety, it's about availability. Windows Tech keeps over 200 tons of ready stock.
So for those large-scale projects with tight deadlines, that means the supply chain is never going to be the thing that holds you back.
Exactly. And with more than 2,000 satisfied customers all across India, you can be totally confident that you're choosing a system that's proven, that's trusted, and that architects and builders are already using to bring their visions to life. So whether your vision calls for the maximum visibility of the ultra-slim series, or the high-security automation of the performance tier, or the sleek reliability of the versatile tier for a modern villa, or even the raw strength of the heavy-duty line for a coastal high-rise, the Cardinal Spectrum has a dedicated solution just for you.
So whether you're designing a sleek modern villa or a high-security custom residence, build it with Cardinal. It's truly designed for the future.
That's the Cardinal Doors and Windows System by Windows Tech. Thanks for joining us.